Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Razer Viper gaming mouse to see how it is and if it can hold up in 2021. Now this gaming mouse comes in at only 69 grams while still looking super sleek. So with that being said, let's see how this mouse does. Now taking a look at what you get inside the box. It's pretty simple. You simply get the mouse and some user manuals. Nothing else, just the bare bones. Now taking a look at the Viper design-wise, right off the bat we can see that it is very, very clean. And the fact that it's 69 grams while almost having no honeycomb design is really impressive, because a lot of mice companies nowadays, we see that they're going the honeycomb route to get rid of weight. But the fact that Razer was able to make this mouse 69 grams while still looking very uniform is very impressive. Now one thing that Razer did to get rid of weight on this mouse is that they adjusted the scroll wheel. Now I'm not too sure if you can see from the camera. Now what they did is they hollowed out the scroll wheel, in the sense that the best way to compare it would be to an old wooden wheel. That's what it looks like inside there, which is a really cool touch to get rid of weight to make the mouse even lighter. Now the one cool thing about the design of the Viper is that it is an ambidextrous mouse. If you're left-handed, this can be perfect for you. If you're right-handed, that can also work for you. And that's why there's 2 buttons on each side of the mouse, adding up to a total of 8 buttons on the mouse itself. Now this mouse does have some ergonomic features, them being on the right and left click, the mouse does flare up a bit just to make sure that your fingers stay more put, as well as on the side of the mouse, you do have some subtle rubberized grip to make sure that you're more in control when gaming. Now another thing about design is that this mouse does have a very sleek and subtle RGB. At first glance, you can't even see where this RGB could be, but once you plug it in, you see on the back, you do have the Razer logo, which you can customize in the Synapse program. Now another really cool thing about this mouse is the cable. They use Razer's X-Speed cable, which is super duper light while still being braided, so when you're gaming, moving those fast-paced flicks going left and right, your cable won't get caught. So now Razer's switches on this mice are their optical switches, and what it uses an infrared light beam to make sure that your clicks register a lot faster compared to your regular old mice. Now the good benefit of this is that every single click is much faster, and the response time Razer claims is 0.2 milliseconds, which is crazy fast. And another benefit is that you will not have any unwanted clicks ever. Now to give you guys a better idea of how these optical switches sound, here's a quick sound test. Now when it comes to the sensor that's on this mouse, you have Razer's 5G optical sensor, and the DPI for this mouse is up to 16,000, so you can fully customize that to whatever your liking is. Now when it comes to my experiences using this mouse, they've been pretty phenomenal. I've used this mouse casually for gaming every now and then, as well as mainly for office use, and having it at my desk, the fact that it's super clean, that's something that I really enjoy. It doesn't stand out too much with the subtle RGB. And when it came to gaming, myself being someone who games occasionally was not able to see any interference with the optical switches, which again, this is coming from me who doesn't game every single day, but when I did game, I found no issues with the mouse. With that being said, the Razer Viper, in my opinion, is a really good option for someone who's looking to get more intense in gaming, but doesn't want to break their bank. The Razer Viper is definitely the way to go. Now Razer also does have the Razer Viper Mini and the Razer Viper Ultimate, and if you guys want to see a review on those mice, leave a comment down below and we'll definitely get to that. Now if you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It genuinely helps the channel grow day by day, and it makes our day. With that being said, this has been TechBarn, and as always, stay premium.